Reddie is an Australian brand with our own production team in Central Java, Indonesia, a beautiful town by the ocean that has a long history of furniture manufacturing, where great craftsmanship and great materials coexist. Our highly skilled team in Java ranges from carpentry, metalworking, upholstery, marble, and weaving. Owning our own production allows us to nurture our talent and manage the entire supply chain. Timeless, good design, craftsmanship, and quality are the pillars of our business. Each piece is designed by us and engineered by our team, then made by expert craftsmen passionate about what they do. Sustainability is at the core of what we do. Beyond our certifications, we embed sustainable practices within our manufacturing processes. Our business model is also made to order, and we opt not to mass produce. We believe mass production is wasteful, leading to products with a limited lifespan destined for landfill. And additionally, our new movement is to make more products out of waste. Our woodworking team comes from a long lineage of skilled craftsmen, a skill passed down from generations. Our wood is FSC certified teak wood from a local plantation forest that we offer in various wood stains. Each piece is handcrafted and completed in our workshop. We also have zero wood waste, as we use our offcuts to create our accessories, and any remaining pieces are used to fire up our kiln. Our metals are available in an array of powder coat colour options. And additionally, we galvanise the material so that it's protected against rust and the elements and can last a long, long time. We also support smaller external community workshops, such as our marble supplier. Their team searches for the most interesting marbles which we use in our collection. Weaving and rattan are traditional Javanese skills. Rattan is incorporated into many of our pieces. They are hand-woven and fitted using local methods and techniques. Our commercial-grade upholsteries and cushioning are sourced from local mills and offered in an abundance of styles and colours. Our commercial-grade leathers are mainly sourced from a long-running family business in Italy. Our newest invention is something bigger than design. We have teamed up with grassroots makers to create recycled plastic materials from waste. We have used Jamu Indonesia's recycled plastic filament on our chairs. We have also worked with Tita and her team to create a recycled bottle top panel that can be cut like wood and used as tabletops or cladding surfaces. These are available in an array of colours. Furthering our sustainable initiatives, all our designs are offered in a reclaimed teak wood that is salvaged from old houses and railroads. Once reclaimed, the pieces are cleared of all nails and cut and used for our furniture production. The finished result is a refined, beautiful wood that has a rich history. Beautiful nail markings and variations appear from the wood's previous use. After our woods are sculpted, they are finished with a durable coating, ensuring long-lasting protection against the elements. Owning our own production allows us to look after our team. We nurture our team's education, offering to cover any extra studies or workshops they wish to attend. We also have regular team outings and activities. Our people are at the core of our business. Often, Asian production is overlooked as not the same level as Western made, and at Reddie we want to show that this is no longer true. We celebrate this amazing community of makers. Our team is a tight-knit group of highly skilled individuals whose ambition and passion is at the heart and soul behind Reddie.